Are you troubled by the difficulty in cleaning the tablecloth at home that has become dirty? Today, our Chengyoutex tablecloth, it must be your first choice. Why is this tablecloth the first choice? First, it is resistant to oil, and dirt. Now, Robin will take everyone with her. Test it personally. You see, this is water.
Round 1.
This is soy sauce.
Round 2.
This is milk.
Round 3.
This is cola.
Round 4.
This is chili oil.
Round 5.
Okay, today's test tasks have been 100% completed. If you have a tablecloth like this, do you still worry about the cleaning? If you also want to have a tablecloth like this, then come to Chengyoutex to find us. This tablecloth comes in a variety of colors, multiple styles, and various patterns. Customization is available based on your samples.